So guys, कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग and all you guys, welcome to the new session today. Today we have someone who is from LinkedIn family that we have joined him from the past 1 year it seems, and his name is Sai Harsha. He's available on the LinkedIn and he's a great work in his profile. Just check it out. I'll pin it the link of the profile in the comment section as well. So in today's video, we're gonna discuss all about his life journey, all about the sessions you have conducted, and also the Google group that he works in and all the details regarding that platform. He is studying in Aditya Engineering College, Surampalem, Kakinada branch. So also we will discuss about that as well, how that college stuff goes on and all. Let him join this session and we'll continue the conversation, bro. So let's find this session more helpful. And any one of you guys, if you are available for this session, just join the session. And I hope that if you join the session, you'll surely find some good knowledge that can be shareable. And if you want to join, if you want to make podcast like this with me, just in the comments, you can just comment it as interested. Then we will see your profile and we will surely correct you for the podcast. Thank you for the day. Anyways, we have Harsha with us all together once again on this new podcast. And let's start the podcast with introduction to Harsha. Let's give this opportunity to himself only because he can introduce himself more better. So, Harsha, just introduce yourself a little to us.
Yeah. Hello all, my name is Kadarinath Harsha. I'm a passionate full stack developer and AI enthusiast. And also, I'm also making some real-time projects to make to get more valuable stuff like projects and all. And also, I'm having 80 plus WPM in typing, and also making consistency and making discipline to the work, and also growing in social networking also.
All these great points together. Wow, superb. Applause for your the skills and talent. Let's move further with this session. We have multiple sections to be considered in this session. So, firstly, we want to know more about the group that you mentioned in your LinkedIn fam, that is GDG, right? Let us know more about that group and what opportunities do students have regarding that group. Little more briefly, so that we can have more opportunities into it. So, Harsha, I just wish that. Can you just help me with that? Just introduce about all of that thing. Yeah.
GDG is a full form of Google Developers Group. It is a all MNCs have a rule like they're giving some funds to the other charities and also dedicating some amount of the society. So
Yeah.
they're giving like that. I think Google also giving that benefits to the students to giving resources and some events to conduct to aware students about Google and also technologies also.
Mhm.
Likely they are created Flutter like that. They aware some students about the technologies and all, and also students can also utilize that opportunities to like that. GDG also divided some parts like they are have created some regional GDGs Google developed groups like Vizag, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Chennai, and also they created like on campuses to giving the all resources and also creating some awareness to the on campus colleges also. So they created like that asset and some colleges they created. One
Mhm.
of the colleges I got a co-organizer opportunity in my college as a co-organizer. So that is about the
Superb,
GDG simple.
superb, superb. So you work as a co-organizer in the GDG group, right?
Yeah.
So what are the roles and responsibilities that you mention and that you perform regularly on the group? Like what do you do? Help with the students or just you perform something or activities that you perform? Let us know all about that.
Yeah. My role in the GDG on campus society is organizing events and also to aware about GDG to the college students. So they are giving some resources or they are conducting some events. You need to adopt, like you need to learn or
Mhm.
you need to aware about the technologies and all. So our duty is to giving that resources and also opportunities to the students from the Google directly. So that is my role in that GDG as a co-organizer.
That's cool. That's cool. Superb. And wow, that's all about the GDG group. I have got up with that. So, can you just let us know the recent projects that you have worked in and what are the new things that you're gonna introduce in few maybe in few hours, I think so. And also I think that in this last session of after this session, we're gonna launch us new like a maybe a site, I can say, that will be a very helpful for many of us. We will gonna launch on this end of this session. So before that, let us know all of few of the projects that you have worked and still working on and has a plan to work on future. So let us know all about that. So
Yeah. I worked on some projects like with AI, like AI assistants. I just created some projects named Leo AI Assistant, Vikram AI Assistant with the 3D models and 2D models. So I just created that and also work on the some e-commerce websites and some of the projects like startups also in our college.
hmm,
So that is the projects I created in simple manner. There are big projects, but in simple I was just telling. And also in future, I just want to create some projects like with multi-language AI assistants. So many of you using some AI assistant because some of the most of the people are bit lazy to work or to do. They are using ChatGPT. So I'm creating that AI assistant to utilize in easy with ChatGPT. So after that, I just want to work on the some projects in our campus
hmm.
as a benefit to me like that. After that, I just want to create some software to the classrooms and all. I just told you about that, like that classroom projects.
Yeah. So, as you have mentioned, can I know more about the Vikram project because it's interesting. See, in ChatGPT, we have a not a virtual assistant that works on. It's a chat based. It's like a similar to a bot that are available on Telegram or maybe somewhere else. But that you are mentioning is a Vikram. That's a 3D model based kind of a AI assistant that literally works as a actual personality that we are working, right? So it's something different and new aspect of working. So it is a future of everything. That's a 3D model based AI assistant. Can you let us know more about that Vikram project and as well as the story behind it that you have mentioned me earlier, that as the elder one of the senior that have demoted you and then you have made that 3D model. So I just want to know about that in detail so that our audience also get to know that demotivation is not a factor and you can consider yourself a successful person in future if you just work hard, right? So just let us know all about that.
I just tell about like that. I just started at the first year in the in our college. As I studied as a government college student, I
Mhm.
just not aware about some communication skills like talking English in fluently like that. What I just I'm here. I'm not about like 3 years past. I'm not aware about reach about this English. So I just started and learning some programming language like C++, Python, Java.
Mhm.
After that, a lot of the people, a lot of my friends are worked on this that programming languages and all competitive coding like that.
Yeah.
So I just continue to learn about full stack development and all. As I mentioned, our seniors also help in that.
Mhm.
So after that, I just attended one event like Golden Day. It is also conducted by technical hub in our college. So I just attended. They also created some like base model with by my the Lisa A assistant. Like getting from that microservices, micro Azure.
Yeah.
So they created that, but most of the people doesn't know about that Lisa. So I just know about that Lisa. So I just find that some of the mistakes or some of the flaws are any improvements are not there. So I
Okay.
just founded that. I just find why we can do why don't we can do about that. So I
Yeah.
just created some 2D model with gifs and all.
Mhm.
It's a bit complex, like 3D assistant also.
So
So
you
I
have
just
used
created that
GIFs.
2D model.
So you have used GIFs for
GIFs,
this
yeah,
particular. Superb, superb. That's very difficult
yeah,
to use. I have gone up with that GIFs actually in earlier studies. Superb, yeah. You are wondering out things. Okay, then what happened next?
yeah. After that, I got a more popularity in our college.
Wow.
After like they created that my assistant, like then their title name as my assistant.
Oh yeah.
I just created within 20 days. I just created Leo assistant. So I got a bit most popularity about in our
Okay. In
college and
20
in
days, you have
LinkedIn also.
completed that AI assistant. How did you train it like that? Like
Yeah.
you have took help from any other databases or like that trained you like
I just
directly?
explore like a divide parts front end. I just created as I know I'm a bit specialist in front end development. I just explore some of the things like connecting to the back end development and ChatGPT and all. I just learned and I just connected to that front end development and back end development with ChatGPT as
Cool,
an
yeah.
early stage
That's
of
cool.
2D
That's super
assistant.
cool. Okay.
Yeah. After that, I just want to present my project in further way. We do stop here. Yeah, yeah. Further, I want to improve my project to other stage like improve stage. So I just continued to attend an hackathon which is conducted at Gayatri Vijay Parishad at Vizag. So I
Yeah,
just
Gayatri
gone there.
College. Yeah.
It is a 2 day hackathon.
Mm-hmm.
Today hackathon I just attended there. In first day I just not communicated English, as you know. I'm a government college student, so I was not able to talk in English in fluently. So I just continued in Telugu. So
Mm-hmm.
in second day they removed us as a top 15, not an top 10.
Mm-hmm.
So one senior came up at the end of this day two.
Mm-hmm.
He told me what is this project.
Let me confirm
Yeah,
one thing
I
first.
explained.
Is the senior from your college or from other colleges, or
No, that college, Gayatri Vijay Parishad.
okay, from the same college, Gayatri
They,
College?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Their college students exploring the all projects they are conducted by their college.
Okay.
So they
Good.
just explore the 4th years. And
Mm-hmm.
also, he said demotivated me and just things like a
Yeah.
small pinch of hay. Yeah, he just tell about that. Like, this is not a project, big project, what you're conducting in the hackathon. This is not a good project and all.
Mm-hmm.
He just make a fun of me, laugh at me. I just demotivated. I worked at 20 days in that project.
Yeah. I got.
How this man told about this Leo assistant like that? I just feel about that. So in that traveling in railway to my
Mm-hmm.
local village. So I just continue to why can't we improve this project
Mm-hmm.
from 2D to 3D? I
Mm-hmm.
just thought that I can you like that is a point from traveling only. I just only thought some of the big projects,
Yeah.
and also mentioned that future project also. In
Okay.
traveling also, I just thought that projects. So I
Okay.
just thought that, but in that time, there is a semester exams as a two one, sorry,
Okay.
two
Okay.
examinations. So
Yeah.
I just stopped there. That idea.
Mm-hmm.
After that semester, I just continue to learn 3JS,
3 years.
how
Okay.
the 3D models
Yeah.
talking
Yeah.
to the websites and all.
Mm-hmm.
I just continue to convert the 2D assistant
Into
to
3D.
3D assistant within a month. Yeah, with the
That's
face of
absolutely
Vijay
great.
Talapati,
Yeah. 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 I have.
And all. I just created a basic 3D assistant. That is also a big project, but I'm not deployed that because of some issues with their faces and all.
Mm-hmm. I brought
Uh,
up with that, then there may be copyright issues and all. There will be claims over the actors as well. So it's absolutely fine. I have seen the project already in the LinkedIn, and also, guys, I'll add the post or the LinkedIn description post into the comments or in the section of the description. You just go and check it out. The post, super facultized post is available. See the whole video, the how that work, the 3D model works and all. And I surely applaud that. Like the post and also comment in the post for sure. Yeah. So,
yeah.
what else you want to mention in this further? Is there anything you want to say next to this?
Yeah, I just continue to make this 3D Leo assistant, and
Mhm.
just I want to be improve further. Like this is the just like 3D assistant. I just converted to 2D to 3D. I didn't give anything, just conversion from 2D to 3D. So I
Mhm.
just continue to think about some security issues for the Leo assistant, like ChatGPT, their login and sign up also. So I just continue to make a assistant with the security. So in that time, there is a connection between the movies Leo and Vikram, like that. I just thought and also created that Vikram AI assistant as an announcement in the video in LinkedIn. I just continued to make that Vikram AI assistant to
Yeah.
I thought all
Mhm.
about this project. And also just continued with the Vikram AI assistant with the security facial recognition
Okay.
and logins with logins and signups and all.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So I just want to continue in that. It as a bit UAX and more
Yeah.
UAX and all. User experience also matters in that project.
Yeah,
With Chrome
super
Assistant.
matter. Yeah, that's very much important. I have been working on UI/UX from the past 3 years, and I have found that the amount of UI is not that much important. When you have a little concept of UI and the color components, color charts, that's enough. But the concept of UX is more important because user experience is more important than UI. I hope that that's the reason. If you found the like the websites of government, they don't have that much of UI mostly, but the functionality behind it has a great aspect. They work very
Right.
because number of users are more, so to manage all of that they have a great thing that they mention in the experience and all, it's very smooth. So I hope that you have also followed that thing. Let's move further with the session. Now, let's understand all about your curriculum, like all you have gone up with. What are the subjects that you have studied in your curriculum, like from the beginning of your B.Tech and all?
Yeah. I'm a easy
What are
student,
the most
electronic
favorite
communication student.
subjects that you can mention? If
In the technical wise or core wise?
both, whatever the like, what are the subject you have gone like? It can be a very useful or a favorite subject for you. Also mention about that.
Yeah. I'm an easy student.
Mm-hmm.
From the first year I just learn or I just write exams. I just studied before 1 week only. I just write all semesters and all. I just only concentrated on this software and programming that side, in the technical side. So my favorite subject in the ECE, electronics and communication, is STLD, like the binaries and OR operations, like logical operations and all. I just like that subject. And as a technical wise, my favorite language, programming language, is Python.
Mm-hmm.
So I just want to do data structures and algorithms and in Python only. I just continue to my second favorite is JavaScript.
Okay, JS, right? Okay. See, I want to mention one thing. In the beginning of my career also, I was in 11th standard in CBSE schools in the Kendriya Vidyalaya. So also for us, the Python was the first programming language because it's easier to, like it's very high level language that is very similar to English. So that's very easy to learn. But as you have mentioned, you perform Python as a data structures. I would say something on this as a complimentary. I have been working for like like the competitions and all. In these competitions, now competitive programming, that what we say, we don't have a core level programming because as Python is high level now, the data structures performance gets lower in this Python and all. So most of the people they use C++. I hope you know that it's a competition competitive level programming language. So I don't know how you use, but that's absolutely fine because it's easier to learn. And also I recommend students to learn first C language, then go to Python. That will be more efficient, I think, so isn't it? It's a mother of language and that helps to build the basics of the programming. I hope that you understand even, right?
Yeah, I just want to add one point to that.
Yeah.
Most of the people tells like Python is not working DSA that much, but I just want to add that point, like if you use like that some utility functions and all,
Mm-hmm.
like by using Python, some of the
Mm-hmm.
functions are some bit. What is the problem with Python is execution time is very
Yeah,
much
executive time is
more.
very high.
So by using that functions, utility functions, we can reduce that. So most of the people, some people who are working in the competitive coding, like using CPP, they
Mm-hmm.
just use some more basic. It will be taking some of the time. So I
Hmm.
just want to use some that type of utility functions and all to get use the execution time in less. So I
Okay.
just want to continue in that DS in Python.
That's cool. That's cool, Harsha.
Most
And
of the
okay.
people don't know about that.
Yeah. I even I too don't know. I used to do like data structures. I used to do Java and CPV only. I had never used Python, but this time I'll try my best to use the Python as well. But for Python, I use it for the competitive calculations and all. That's all I have used, and I think Python is best for like beginners, right? Yeah. So I just want to also ask, you have mentioned the curriculum and all. That's all absolutely fine. What do you think, like who is the more has a more role in your career all through the BTech journey or from the schooling and all? Who is the person that you want to mention in this podcast that he or she have helped you all through the program, all through the personality? Or else you want to mention a group of people, you can, or you can gonna acknowledge them together, like whoever the persons are. Everyone's life there are few person that they help us together all through the journey. So I want to know whoever they are, so that you can just mention them anyhow in this acknowledgement podcast, right? So let's hear from you.
First of all, from starting, I just want to mention about my parents. They
Yeah,
are
that's
they have
all
supported me
important.
very well. They supported me very well and encouraged me
Mm-hmm.
very well about that.
Mm-hmm.
And also, second is my HOD, head of the department from
Okay.
ECE. She's also supporting me very well but about learning technologies and proving myself to the social medias and all, LinkedIn and
Mm-hmm.
all the
Mm-hmm.
people. What I am learning is because of her. What I created it because of her. They
You
give
can
she given some
you can
permissions and all.
mention their name as well because I we can mention
Yeah,
them in the
she's
LinkedIn
name
as
is
well, right?
sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's name is Janaki Devi.
Okay. Her
So
name is Janaki
she's
Devi,
very
guys. Yeah.
supportive.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, she's very supportive to me. Encouraged me to do all these projects. What I am here is because of her
All
only.
of due to her.
And also next, my friend's name Siva and Shenmukh. These people always cooperate with me in first year, but one of the friend is working on that 3D modeling and all.
Okay.
In that the 3D models which printed by the with plastic, like
Okay.
some
I
of the
understood.
resources
3D
like that. I
model
don't know.
based architectural designs, right? They print the
Yeah,
3D models.
architecture like.
Okay. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, one
Wow.
of my friend are working on the cloud. I
Mm-hmm.
just want to tell about after that this podcast to you. So
Okay.
his name Shanyu.
Mm-hmm.
In first year, we got competitive to each other to learning about C and C++, Python, and the whole programming languages.
Okay.
They have
Together.
supported me, and what I'm here also, they also because of
Okay, all these
that
guys
friends
have
only.
helped you all through the program. Like the friends are more important in your journey because they only motivate you and they only demotivate you. So if you have a good circle of friends, that's all you're growing on a go and success. Firstly, I hats of all these guys from my side that supporting person from the beginning is always a great thing. And firstly, Janki ma'am, whoever you are, I haven't met you, but all absolutely, I would thank you for making these people supporting these people for the journey because you being a lecturer or professor of a public societal educational platform, you support millions of students all together to a great heights and they become future invaders. So I hopefully thank you all guys who have helped all through the Harsha's life career journey. And let's move further with this session. So Harsha, is there anything that you want to mention in this session? Is there anything that you want to introduce and all? Let us know all about that.
Yeah, I just want to introduce my current project named
Okay.
Ghost Coder.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it is a platform that gives some resources and all,
Mm-hmm.
like explanations of coding, how we started. Like, if you started to get a placement now onwards, because I just also started my journey to get a placement in fourth one. So I started, my group of friends started with Shenmukh and Sivanam. So we just learned what data structures and algorithms, what coding it is, some of the time in one day. So we just thought that why couldn't we provide that resources to all students? What
Mm-hmm.
we learn
Yeah.
from that resources, YouTube or some blogs and all. So we just thought that make a platform and give to the all resources to the all students. The tutorials are very like self-paced. They just don't learn about all. So what we learn as a student, they can also be learn easily, I think.
Okay. I
So
got
we
you. I
just
got you.
created that platform.
So I wish
So
that
we just created that platform.
okay. Oh,
Yeah,
continue, Harsha. Continue.
yeah. I just created that platform and also implementing on Monday or Tuesday onwards. So I just uploaded one blog. That is an example. I can provide you to the resources all, and also providing some problem like in Geeks for Geeks in Lead Code. Also, we are explaining some of the problems, main problems, what we are effective in the interviews and placements. So we just what we thought like we also train and also some of the students are also utilizing that opportunity to learn.
Okay, then we will add the particular websites or the sites link in the description so that people can access it and use that particular platform for their welfare and the development of their career, right? Also, if applicable, if possible, you can just share the screen and just show us the website if you want to. That will more informative, right?
Yeah.
If it is possible to us. Yeah. There we have the
Yeah.
Ghost Coders
Yes.
website overall. It's launching here. So that's a great aspect. Congratulations, Harsha, for your new and the new project that you're launching right now on the podcast. That's absolutely fine. So here we have that sessionalized one. Yeah. See, guys, this is the website you can see. Okay.
It's already login. Uh, I just created with the Next.js, so it's a bit security too and all. So if the blogs and all uploaded in this, uh, yeah, yeah,
So in this
sign in
regularly we
only.
have blocks and all. Also you can sign up and sign out as well. Also there are multiple authentication factors. C is a Google authenticated, right? Superb, superb, Harsha. This authentication makes them more secure. So you have bought the host ID and all domains and all already. You're hosting it on the website.
No, I just deployed in Vercel. It's
Okay.
a free
Yeah,
deployment
yeah.
site.
I know that. I know
So
that. Superb.
if the n number of students or users can be hit, I just provide that domain and also.
Yeah, yeah. Then it can be possible. Perfect. So we have blocks also, right? In this. Yeah, introduction to coding.
Yeah,
Superb, superb. That's all. That's all too superb. Yeah.
and also just provided that readable also.
Mm-hmm. Wherever the person will stop reading, from then only he can nextly start again from that particular thing, right?
Yeah,
Superb. Yeah, that's a great functionality you have added to it. You can see that the glow effect, the neon effect all over the website is all perfect. And the color contrast and the UI components, the layout is all absolutely according to the UI UX concepts. And the website seems very smooth, seamlessly, and the background the as the bats are moving. That's superb, man. How did you decide and how did you decide about that? That you're gonna make it like that? Superb. It's like awesome project Ghost Coder. How that exploration part looks like. It's a fabulous one. I just feel like it's fabulous one.
yeah, okay.
Okay, so this project as well have launched in this podcast. That's super fine, and everyone can use this platform for their daily basis programming development or whatever what they want to do, all through the usage of this website, right? So further, we want to discuss something that's relatable. Can you just let us know about your family and all? Like how many members you stay, what location you actually stay at, and what are the problems that you have and facing out? Let us know all about that.
Yeah. Actually, I'm from Mandapeta, which is
Mm-hmm.
beside like in Rajahmundry area, local area. So we are four members.
Mm-hmm.
I have one sister.
Mm-hmm.
Girl. Uh, my dad is just scrap man, like collecting some scrap iron and all. He just sold that like a bulk.
Mm-hmm.
That is the business we have.
Okay.
So currently there is no issues for all, but there is a bit problem in our college fees and all. So as I'm completing in 1 year, fourth year, so I think I can be used for them, like getting placement and all
Yeah.
in future. I think hopefully
We
as a
wish that
higher
you will be
salary.
available with a good placement, number of placement. Number of placement doesn't matter for me. Getting a good placement with good package and further you have a good career as well, good success in your future. That's all I wish. We pray to God, all of us together, and our audience even will be doing something for you. We have in this session, I want to mention in this podcast, we have something that's called a QR based payments. At the end, when I'm gonna join that, whoever the audience want to support this kind of people all through the podcast related friends, we offer them laptops or maybe the tech gadgets that they need, maybe a lighting setup, maybe a mic set, maybe a sitting arrangement, maybe whatever the equipments they want, we arrange them through this funding. So we wish, as I have mentioned earlier, we're gonna introduce you with some of the new gadgets. Firstly, I'm gonna give you a performance laptop for sure. By this end of this month, you will receive it. Okay, just give us the address and all so that we can help you with the development. As you are not able to do your development and all with that particular laptop you are having right now. And one more thing, as I can see, you have a good beard. So we have something from us, our own like client. He's the this particular video is uh, performing from them. So it is now none other than Beardo. We have Beardo with us as an advertisement agent to this particular video. So I want to introduce something before that. Just a minute. I hope that it's all good. Yeah. So today's video partner is Beardo. As you all guys know, that Beardo is a great company that makes man-related products, everything related to man. And this is the product we are offering to uh, our friend I just wanna off this particular blur so that we can see this, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the one that our
Yeah. One
company,
minute.
that advertising company is giving you. You can open your camera. That's okay. So we have Sai Harsha, and this is the trimmer that is offering from the Beardo for you, and all good for this session. And I hope this session makes more useful things. And as partner with the Beardo is also funding this particular kind of videos, and all the laptop is also like been have been advertised for you from the Beardo itself. So I wish that you may thank that Beardo for this, isn't it? So,
Yeah, thank you, Bedo.
yeah, so Beardo is a partner for this particular video and as well something else. So let's conclude this video with anything that you want to mention at the last.
Yeah. I want to mention something. Who are not like they are thinking their future and all. I just
Mhm,
want to some. I just want mention some points about them. So do what you do. Like what else? Like you assume as a hero, like a hero.
mhm.
You just want to grow yourself with your thoughts, with your own thoughts. You just do what you want to do. Like if you want to do a project, you just do like that. Like that only, just do, and also learn, and also share your thoughts, share your resources, share your learning also, so that can be useful to the social networking and all, and also participate some of the contests, and participate in the events, and also you just be connected in LinkedIn also. How you connected to me, like that,
Yeah,
just participate some events and deliver some of the resources, like some technologies and all. So in future you have an opportunity like this podcast, sharing your experience and all.
superb,
So that
superb,
is the
Harsha.
opportunity. So more people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So also I want to mention something lately. Whoever wants to have some new courses or want to learn something new related to computer science and tech, we have a platform called Code Baba. That is our own personal platform. In that platform, you can find all the related videos that are available for free. That is C language, Java, and Python. Whoever want to know more about the courses, we have a personal website that I'm going to add on the website description. You can check out the new courses available, and if you want to be a voluntary teacher or maybe a free of cost teacher in that particular courses, you can help us with that voluntary help, or also you can be paid for that. And we have multiple courses as well. So I wish that if you want to join any of the courses, you can join from the given link. Thank you. And thank you for this today's podcast. It had been superb experience with you, Harsha, and all we wish is a further success in your life and further career aspects and successful development in your life. Also, thank you, Beardo, for this wonderful session from your side. And all of this session
Yeah.
ends here with a good evening, and all this ends with a great timing. Thank you, Harsha, for this.
Yeah. Thank you.